go to the phone app, switch to contacts in the bottom right corner, select the contact, and press this gray eye icon on the right side. Go to edit at the bottom of the screen, tap on the profile picture in the top right. Then we can use the camera in order to take the photo. You can also choose one of the Galaxy avatars, or you can go to gallery and pick a photo. Select the photo that you wish to use, and then you can also adjust the photo. There we go, and press done once you are ready. And then save at the bottom, and then one more time. If you try to change the photo for a contact that is not saved on, for example, phone storage or Google account or Samsung account, so if the contact is saved on a SIM card, you won't be able to do this. And in that case, you need to change the contact and save it on, for example, phone storage. Check this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.